Hi there. To create a blog in WordPress website actually is very easy. You just need to do few simple steps. For example, here I have a WordPress website and I would like to add blog page in this website. I go to admin panel, then I go to pages, then I press add new. Then I will write the name, for example, blog. This will be the title of this blog page. Publish. Then I go back. Then I will add this page to my menu. I go to Appearance, Menus. Here I add blog page to menu. The next thing what I need to do, I need to go to Settings, Reading, and here this page blog what we just created, and here I press save. If I go now, you will not see any changes yet, but if I go to posts and press add new, for example, I write sample blog post, and here hello. This will be this first blog post, and blog page I see this blog post what I just added. Here is the name and here is just text of this blog post. But for example, if I add another one, I go to post, add new, for example, sample post 2, and hello, this is sample post 2. And I press publish, I go to blog, and I see also this second blog post. And in this way, all the blog posts what you will add in your WordPress web page will be shown in this blog section. This is how you can add blog in any WordPress web page.